we're going to do a little video on, I can say, movement of the Zodiac or a vibration. So here's what it goes. And this is called the shofar move, right? Blowing of the shofar. So it's going to be like this. You know what? Fuck it. It's going to be like this. So another way to do that is to do it like this. Tekiya, Shavurim, Teruah, Tekiya. So that is the shofar blast. Now there's other ways to do it. You can do it with the guitar strings or any which way you want. Now the other one is this. The movement of the cube. You can also relate that to the Zodiac, and it moves at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you move 1 over to 6, it's a 5 move. The total is 7. If you move 1 over to 8, it's a 9 move, right? It's an 8 move, total of 9. It'd be 1 to 5 and 5 to 9 and 9 to 5 and 5 to 1. Or you can look at it as 1, 1, 1. But the third one that you make, right, if I go from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, when I go to 3 to 4, there's an angle involved. If I go from 1 to 6, there's an angle involved. So think about it. Each one of them make a 7. 3 over to 4 is a 1 separation of 7, right? 1 over to 6 is a 5 separation of 7. So now what you had is you had a 1, you had a 5. The next one you have is the 2 movement over to 5, which is a 3. So you have 1, 3, 5. So you have the ace movement, and you're going to create what is 7, 7, 7. Now if you want to do the 13, it's 7 over to 6, 1 movement. 8 over to 5, 3 movement. And then you have 9 over to 4, 5 movement. And then that's the ace movement again. Now, if you want to do the 9 movement, it's 1 over the 8 equaling to 9 with the 7 movement. That's the G. If you want to move the 2 over to 7, that's a 5. That's an E, right? And that will create the 9. And the other 9 is a 1 movement, right? You're going to make that last 9. And you're going to be moving 6 over to 3, and you're going to make that 9, and the 1 movement, you're going to move 4 over to 5 to make that movement. So we have to understand how our numbers shift over and how they're vibrating. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus, the truth.